guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do and kind of reviewing the Beetles nail tips and glue set, and also doing like an unboxing for you and a design tutorial. It's going to be like a Valentine's Day one. I don't know, I feel like doing it. So the Beetles nail tips and glue kit, 2-in-1 gel and base gel with 500 piece coffin tips and LED lamp DIY nail art acrylic nail kit essential easy nail extension set. And it's for sale for $22.99 on Amazon, and that's where I got this from. That's really all the information. It's supposed to be like a dupe for the Apres nails, the Gel X. So yeah, let's just get into it and we'll see how this works, and then I'll always, as I did last time I guess, I'll keep you updated with how long they last. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so let's see if I can... Okay, so this is the box. I had my brother open it because there was plastic around it, and he opened it with a knife and I got messed up. But it says, be bold, be mean, be Beetles. It says it comes with 7.5 milliliters, soak off UV and LED cured. Storage, keep tightly sealed, keep out of sight, store in place, veiled for 12 months, glue ingredients, directions, cured on a UV LED lamp for 30 to 60 seconds, warnings, and then it says the package includes 7.5 milliliters of nail glue, UV lamp with USB, 500 piece coffin shape acrylic nail tips, application guide. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open it. Okay, so we're like really close, I feel like, but I can't figure out a better way to do this. So it comes with a little instruction guide, which I don't really need. It comes with these nail tips, and like I said, I believe they're in coffin. I wish they would come in a box, but like I said, this is only $20 compared to like the $100 Apres one. And then inside the box, it comes with the nail glue, which is just gel. And then this cute little nail lamp, which I'm not sure if I'm going to use because I don't have a plug that'll reach it, but I feel like it'd be kind of nice if I used it. So let me see about that. But I will be back once I get this set up, and then I'll be back for the prep of my nails. Okay guys, so I've set up the lamps, I've picked out my nail tips. You can't see them right now, but I'll show you again, as I showed you in the last video, for sizing. You want it, I don't know, it makes sense to me. You want it to fit sidewall to sidewalls. Like, you don't want it overlapping this way, and then you don't want like some of your natural nail showing. Like, you just want it to fit sidewall to sidewall. And I recommend, if you have to, go with one that's too big rather than too small, because you can always file the edges to get it to fit your nail. And if you do one that's too small and like press it down, it's more likely to lift. So that is how I size those. Now I'm just gonna go about prep. So I will probably speed this part up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to push back my cuticles. I'm going to cut my cuticles. I'm going to buff the nails, and then I am going to wipe them with alcohol. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna do that, and I will probably speed this up. Alright, so my cuticles are pushed back, so now I'm just going to cut them. Cuticles are all clipped, so now I'm just gonna buff the nails. Alright, I had to do some readjusting, but it looks better now anyways, but I'm just going to buff the nails. Alright, and if you have a drill and you are skilled with a drill, I would go in around the cuticle area and with a buffing bit just to get the rest of the shine off the nail. But other than that, we just need alcohol, and then we are ready to apply the nails. So I'm just going to take some 70% isopropyl alcohol on a cotton pad and wipe all the nails. Okay. And then once that is all dried, let's see. I just realized that this kit doesn't come with a prep and prime, so I'm going to use the Macart nail dehydrator and nail primer. So the dehydrator comes first. This is just to remove the shine from the nail. Remove any excess oils. This will help your nails last a lot longer. And it smells like bubblegum anyways, so. And Macart is super cheap. I'm not quite sure how these are. I'm pretty sure I got them in a Your Nail Lab box. But it's worth it. And then I have the Apres ones as well that I could use, but might as well use a similar brand to the brand of the product. Okay. And then when that's dried, we're gonna go in with a primer. This is not a necessary step, I would say, but if you want your nails to last as long as possible, I would do these steps. I think the prep of the nails before extensions is the most important because it is what helps the nails last. You can be awesome at acrylic or gels or whatever, but if you don't prep the nail correctly, they are not going to stay on, and then it's a big waste. Okay. And then I'm going to take the Beetles nail glue. As I said, it's not glue, it's just gel. And I'm going to apply that to all of my nails and then cure in my lamp for 60 seconds. Oh, this is thick. My camera's in like the worst angle to do all this. And I left my Chiara Sky lamp at work, so I'm going to use my crappy lamp again for this. I also don't have my drill, which is why I didn't go in with it. Plus, I feel like most people who are doing their nails at home don't have a drill. So it works like this anyways. And then I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds, and I'm not gonna show this part on camera because it's literally just waiting. Okay, so I put the base glue gel all over my nails. Let's see if this is even like the way they want you to go about it. No, it doesn't say to put on your nails first. I guess I'm just going by the Apres way, and I recommend this way either way, so it has a tacky base to stick to. Oh, it also says it'll last for 21 plus days. Okay. But yeah. I also noticed with this lamp, like, I can't get it to, like, I don't know if it turns off by itself. But I don't know. Anyways, let's just go ahead and try to put one of these on. Okay, so, oh, and the gel does like burn in the slightest bit. I'm just gonna put a thin layer on this nail. I'm gonna try, let's see. Stick it on here. Let me check it from my angle. Okay, I'm totally messing this up. Hold on, let me wipe that off. Oh, that's gonna be a mess. Okay. Let's try this again. I'm gonna try and get closer. I'm gonna try putting it on this way. I'm trying to do it without spillage and it's not working. Okay. Feel like that's as good as it's gonna get. Okay, I'm totally messing this up. Okay, I counted to 30, but kind of fast. Okay. Definitely crooked. And definitely spillage. Yeah, it's totally crooked. But let's try to do one more on camera. And I think I totally flooded my cuticle too. Okay. Let's try to do one more, and then I'll do the rest off camera. Okay, I feel like I don't know how to do it with like out spillage. Oh look, the light turned off. Look, there's so much spillage. I feel like I didn't have this problem with the Apres one. Let's go ahead. Oh shit. Definitely burns around the skin if you get it on the skin. But just a little bit. It's nothing like crazy. Okay. I'm gonna have to go in and file that extra off later. Okay. That one is also crooked, I feel like. Ah! Yeah, let's see. You can see under the nail. It's fitted to it nicely. They're on there. I'm probably gonna cure more, but we'll do those two on camera and I'll do the rest and I'll be back. Okay guys, I feel, well, so first of all, some of them are great. Look at this pinky. Oh my god. But it's okay. The crookedness doesn't bother me. But anyways, I feel like I kind of figured it out after, you know, the major spillage on the middle one. So like what I started doing with this one is like put it at the tip of my nail. Like, so I put the glue on, put it at the tip of my nail, and then just slide it down to like the perfect spot. And then there's no spillage. And then what I did with the rest of the nails is I would make sure the lamp was started beforehand because then or else it gets kind of messed up. Yeah, but that's what I did. And then I would only cure it under here for like 10 to 15 seconds. And then once I had all of them on and they were secure, I cured them under the lamp for like 30 to 60 more seconds. So yeah, they're all on and we can get started with the nail art in just a second. So far compared to the Apres one, I feel like they cured a lot faster. I did get some air bubbles. Look, like I don't know if you can see this one. I mean, it's probably my fault, honestly. This hand, I think I have like one. Yeah, but other than that, like I'm impressed. It was easy. It went by a lot quicker than the Apres one because this is my second time doing it, I guess. But so what I'm gonna do is file the tops of these nails so you can get that little, like this one has a big one, get that little thing off, and then I'm gonna apply base coat, base color, and I'll be back for the art. Okay guys, so I feel like this video was like kind of all over the place with my camera and my tripod still not working. Still working on getting another one once I just have enough money for it. But this is the finished result. Close up. I'm pretty happy with it. I feel like the flames could have turned out better, but I'm still happy with it. I like them. Perfect for like a little like bad bitch Valentine's Day like type vibes. Yeah, so I'm happy with them, and I will let you guys know how well they last. It was pretty easy to do after doing the Gel X ones. So, I don't know if it was like necessarily easier than the Gel X ones, or if it was just since I had done it before that it was like pretty easy for me to do. Yeah, I mean, it's a good deal, $22.99, and there comes with like a million more tips, and I get to use this and the light for like forever. So it's a good deal to me. I would definitely recommend giving it a try before the Apres one, or before the Gel X, whatever, because so far it seems like they're just as good. I don't really see how it could be much different, honestly. But yeah, so I would give that, if you were like money tight, I would give the Beetles one a chance before the Apres one. Especially since the Apres one literally only lasted 9 days. I mean, I was kind of rough on them, but still. Yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry that the tutorial and the video wasn't the best, and the framing and stuff like that. I'll try to work on it. But thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.